Chapter 8 Introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. A software which helps you in making presentations is Microsoft PowerPoint. Like a book is made of many pages, same way a presentation is also made up of many pages, known as slides. A slide is a single page of a presentation created with software such as PowerPoint. A presentation is composed of several slides. PowerPoint 2010 is the latest version of PowerPoint. It is used to present information in a visual way. It is widely used by speakers, trainers, and anyone who needs to give presentation to an audience. Starting PowerPoint 2010. To start PowerPoint on your computer, you can follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Type PowerPoint or PowerPoint 2010 in search box. Step 3. Choose PowerPoint 2010. Components of PowerPoint 2010 window. The component of the PowerPoint window are as follows. Title bar. This bar displays the name of active presentation on which you are working. It is present at the top of the PowerPoint window. Quick Access toolbar. It is present at the left end of the title bar. It shows the Save, Undo, Redo and Start from Beginning button. Ribbon. It is placed below the title bar. It has various commands and features arranged under different tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Animation, etc. Status bar. It displays the information about current presentation and provides access to certain PowerPoint functions. Slide navigation pane. It allows you to view and organize the slides in the presentation. Slide pane. It is the middle section of the PowerPoint window where you can work directly on individual slides. Notes pane. Click on Notes to add notes to your current slide. It is also known as Speaker's Notes. Comments. In this area, reviewer may leave comment for any slide. View buttons. There are 4 ways to view your slides: Normal, Slide Sorter, Reading View, and Slideshow. Zoom Control Slider. Zoom Control Slider. It is used to zoom in or out the slides. There are 2 scroll bars, vertical to shift up and down, and horizontal to move towards left or right. Creating a new presentation. A new presentation can be created by using blank presentation or templates. Creating a blank presentation. The following steps should be followed for creating a new blank presentation. Step 1. Start PowerPoint 2010. Step 2. Click on the File tab to display the Backstage view. Step 3. Click on New to display the new page on the left pane of the Backstage view. Step 4. Click on Blank Presentation Thumbnail. Creating presentation using templates. A template is a pre-designed presentation you can use to create a new slideshow quickly. There are a couple of options when creating presentation from a template. The given steps should be followed. Step 1. Click the File tab to access Backstage view. Then select New. Step 2. You can click a suggested search to find templates or use the search bar to find something more specific. In our example, we will search for the keyword Science. Step 3. A gallery of online templates will open. Select a template to review it. Step 4. A preview of the template will appear along with additional information on how the template can be used. Step 5. Click Create to use the selected template. Step 6. A new presentation will appear with the selected template. Adding text in the placeholder. Step 1. Click on the Click to Add Title placeholder. The cursor blinks inside the text box. Now type some text, say Science Project. Similarly, select Click to add subtitle placeholder and type some text, say Life Cycle of Butterfly. Step 2. Now click outside text box. You will notice the Enter text appears on the slide in the slide pane. Saving a presentation. The given steps should be followed for saving the file. Step 1. Click on the File tab and the Backstage view will appear. Step 2. Click on the Save option. Step 3. The Save As dialog box appears. Select the area where you want to save the file. Step 4. Click in the File Name text box and type a name for your file. Step 5. Click on the Save button. Opening a presentation. Step 1. Select the File tab to go to Backstage view. Then click Open. Step 2. The Open dialog box will appear. Locate and select your presentation, then click Open. Closing a presentation. Step 1. Click on the File tab in the Backstage view. Step 2. Click on Close option. To exit a presentation, click on the Close button on the title bar or use Alt plus F4 key combination.